Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie from the Appomatox Regional Library system, and today I'm going to show you how to do our latest passive craft. Our passive craft kits are available at any of our ARLS locations, and they're available until we run out. So to start off with, you're going to color your green strips, and then you're going to go ahead and glue down your tree trunk. This is your brown strip of construction paper. You will need to cut a little bit off just to give yourself a little bit of blank space at the top of your picture to make it look nice. Once you have glued down your brown paper, you're going to start making your tree, and to do that, you're going to cut your strips, and you're going to start by folding it over and gluing it onto the paper and seeing where you want your tree to end at that spot. And once you've decided that, give a little bit of leeway for another fold, and then go ahead and cut it. Then glue it down. And you're going to do this over and over again until you get to the bottom of your tree, or wherever you want your tree to end. Now you can decorate your tree in lots of ways. You can draw little shapes on it to represent Christmas bulbs. You can make squiggly lines to represent gardens. I'm going to explain the process of gluing down your green strips one more time just to make sure you understand. Start by decorating your green strip, and when you finish doing that, go ahead and make a little fold about 1/2 inch. And then you're going to decide where you want to end your green strip, and you're going to cut it there and fold it one more time and glue it down. So decorate it, fold it, glue it down, decide where you want it to end, cut it, and fold it down and glue it down one more time. When you're done, go ahead and glue the star at the top. Thank you and have a great day.